Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. Also, if you're returning back to my channel, thank you so much for sticking with this video, girl. I do not take it for granted. So guys, if you are wondering why my face is white, I just had my bath and the AC is on, or was on. When I came back from the bathroom, I switched it off. So, and I've noticed that like for the past 1 week, once I have my bath, my face just goes like really dry. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm going to be using my face cleanser to clean my face, and I'm trying this new set. So this is the Clinic clarifying lotion. This is what it looks like. It's a set. There's one that has the face wash, and there's another one that is the moisturizer. So it's like these three. But basically I've been using this one more. I've been using the cleanser more. So I'm going to cleanse my face. So guys, today's video is a chit chat. Just going to be talking about stuff basically. Today is what, Saturday, and in fact, as I'm filming this video, I can hear a band playing, or I can hear them playing songs. I'm guessing it's for a wedding, but basically Owambe is going down and I am here. Please, if you have any wedding in Lagos, call me. I want to go for wedding. Anyways guys, am I the only one that just noticed that this year's Christmas is boring? Like, am I the only one? So, you know, even before I moved to Lagos, the whole thing was that Lagos will be bubbling during Christmas, you know, that kind of thing. To the extent that during Christmas they'll tell you not to go, or during this period basically they'll tell you not to go to the market at this time, because they will pick your pocket, they will scam you, they will do this, do that. I mean, that was the whole Lagos thing during this festive period, and it was always believed that all these I wanna people are going to be coming back in this period. What I mean is, those living abroad would come home for Christmas with their families and all that. But I don't know if that happened. I mean, apparently it happened, because some people that I know, I don't know them personally, but at least I know that Caramel Sugar came home, Kora Obidi came home, you know, for Christmas and all that stuff. So it feels like some people are coming home for this period with their families. But I was expecting, you know, everywhere to be bubbling and all that stuff, but it's just like everybody's doing their thing low-key, and nobody is nothing again is happening like that. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. Nothing serious is happening. Even Lagos State, I don't know what is wrong with them, but you know, I was expecting that Christmas decorations would have gone up, or you know, those very fine little gardens between the roads and all of that, but nothing at all. Everywhere just dry. Everywhere just dry. So how did I spend my Christmas? I'm strongly in between doing a makeup look. If I do a makeup look, that means I'm going to have to film, or maybe I'll just do it because I want to do it. Yeah, I need to shape in my brows, so let me do that. So yeah, so like I was saying, Christmas this year is boring. If you think so, let me know that in the comment section. But I feel like Christmas this year is boring, and I'm thinking maybe it's because of the pandemic, plus we are hearing that coronavirus is back. I don't know, maybe in another form. Some are saying in another form, in another strand. I don't even know what to believe, but I feel like coronavirus has not totally gone. So the measures that we have been taking, we should still continue to take it. At least I know that was this week, they in one of the wards they discovered a COVID-19 patient. The person tested positive to COVID-19. So I don't know if they made it public or that kind of stuff, but I don't know. But basically COVID-19 has not gone. So maybe that's what is making all these things to just be like mellow, low-key and all that. Yeah, for my brows, you already know now, I like to use the razor blade. Though I prefer that blade that has like an handle. I don't know if you guys know that blade. Please, if you know where I can get it, please let me know down in the comment section. I think I would that one looks easier to use to shape it than this one. And yes, I'm breaking it into two because now razor blade is expensive. It's expensive. Okay, razor blade is expensive. So usually I think when I was in school, I used to buy this full pack for I think 150 or 200. When I bought this one, it was 300. One like this is 13 naira. Oga gone. Anyways, I just want to shape in my brows. You guys are in my previous videos, I guess we've seen that my brows have been looking a mess. So look at my shaping brow with me. Do you get? I'm sorry, I've not really unpacked my old makeup things since I got here. Like, this is the first time I'm opening it up. So I'm just going to get a spoolie. Okay. Let me use this one. I don't even know where I put my mirror. I'll use my powder, the one for my powder. So I'm going to be using this one. Lagos people, how Christmas would have passed by the time I upload this video? How was your Christmas? How was your Christmas? Let me try this method, sir. So there's a method of using what's it called, gel, to hold your brows so that you know it can be in that place where you want it to be. I might have to clean my face again because all this nonsense I'm putting on my face in the name of shaping brows. I'm putting this gel on I'm not using my hand. I think I have a video on shaping of brows. Please, if you want to know how to do that, just check it out. Though I'm not sure, but I don't think I've used this method on this channel before. Or no, let me not say use. I don't know if I have shown this method on this channel before. I'm not quite sure. All right, so I'm just going to wait for it to get dried. Okay guys, so I already shaping my brows, and ouch, this is going to be painful, but we get lazy. So I'm using my face cleanser to clean off the gel that I used to hold it in place, and to just clean off all the place that I kind of cut myself. So guys, from my house I can hear I think they are doing a wedding somewhere, and maybe a birthday song, more like a child's birthday. I mean, from what I'm overhearing. I'm not even putting that I'm already doing. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you in another video. Yeah, I'm see you in another video. Bye.